Hello everyone, this is David Clark, owner of AdultCollector.org, a network of pages and groups on Facebook celebrating everything we love about He-Man and She-Ra. And in this video, I want to announce the details of a giveaway. Yes, you have the chance to win an unopened Rise of Evil 2-pack. That's the Target exclusive set that everybody's looking for, and that's from the Masters of the Universe Origins toy line. Yes, it's a free giveaway, and all you have to do to participate is follow these 3 steps. One is to join these 3 Facebook groups. That's the Masters of the Universe Origins fans group, the Masters of the Universe Revelation fans group, and the Masterverse fans group. The second step is to follow the AdultCollector.org YouTube channel. And third, you just respond in the comments of this video with "I'm in" or something very similar to it. Or you can respond with "I'm in" on the related Facebook post. Of course, everyone gets 1 entry, those who qualify by following the steps. Some additional details: you must follow all 3 steps to qualify. The winner will be selected randomly. If an international winner is selected, that person agrees to pay for the shipping. If the post on Facebook is shared to a private place and I don't have access to that place, such as a private group, and you reply there saying "I'm in," there's really no way for me to know that you replied. So it's best to respond in the comments of this video on YouTube. That's the surefire way of making sure that you get entered. And that's all there is to it. The winner will be announced on May 1st on AdultCollector.org. That's all I had for now. Good luck, everyone, and as always, stay safe and good journey.